Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Zoho Project for content calendar organization. This will be your full 2025 guide. First up, let's start by creating a new project. You'll find this on the dashboard under New Project. This helps us because it establishes a dedicated workspace for our content calendar. Now that we've done that, let's move on to creating tasks. You can add tasks using the Add Task button in the Tasks tab. Each task can represent a piece of content you plan to create. The reason we do this is to break down our content calendar into manageable pieces. Next up, we'll assign deadlines to these tasks. Deadlines are crucial as they help you stay on track with your content creation schedule. On the right side of each task, you'll find an option to add a due date. Remember to set realistic deadlines that give you enough time to create quality content. Now, Zoho Project isn't just about tasks and deadlines. It's also about collaboration. This is where the Assign To feature comes into play. By assigning tasks to team members, you can delegate work and speed up the content creation process. Just click on the Assign To button next to each task and select a team member. Let me explain why this matters. When you use Zoho Project, you're not just organizing a content calendar, you're also managing a team. This feature helps your team work efficiently and ensures everyone knows their responsibilities. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you follow these steps. You're creating an organized workspace where everyone can see what needs to be done, by when, and by whom. This transparency can increase your team's productivity and ensure a consistent content output. Lastly, don't forget to keep track of your progress. Use the task list view to see all tasks and their status. This helps you monitor the progress of your content calendar and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. Now you know how to use Zoho Project for content calendar organization. Remember, a well-organized content calendar can be key to your content strategy's success. So, play around with these features, find what works best for you and your team, and streamline your content creation process like never before. Until next time, happy organizing.